To change the pollen filter or the cabin air filter on a Discovery 3, we simply open the glove box, make sure it's empty, and then we find the 2 tabs either side, push down on them and pull the glove box down. This gives us access now to where the blower motor is for the fan and the pollen filter, and also the fuse box area. Looking inside now, the blower motor is here, and just above it is the pollen filter where it lives. There's a clip on the left hand side. We push it in and then we can pull the cover back and slide it out. Now we can see our filter. There's a little paper tab on it. If we kind of pull the filter down, and then it'll pull out. Nice and easy. Here we can see the old filter and the new filter compared against each other. We see the paper tab on the front and back of the filter. This goes to the bottom of the filter, and we're going to fold it in where it slides in against the back. So we need to push the top of the filter in and slide it upwards. And to finish off, we're going to clip our cover back in. This clips in at the right side first and then snaps into place on the left.